how to rotate page in Canva. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can basically rotate a page on Canva. So firstly, when you have your page opened up on Canva, you guys can basically see that we have no option whatsoever to rotate the page anywhere on the screen. I've tried so much to find it myself, I couldn't find it, but I finally managed to figure out the obvious, which is to just simply drag and select everything on your page, and then after that you guys are gonna see this particular button pop up. Once you see this pop up, all that you need to do is to just simply click and drag your mouse, and your page is going to start to rotate. As you guys can see, I can move it around as much as I want or as little as I want, and I will be able to, of course, just simply keep it as I want to. So that is how you can basically rotate a page in Canva, and you guys can rotate it back as well by simply clicking and holding like you did. So guys, that is how you can basically rotate your page on Canva. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.